Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to English Listen Easy.
Hi, Emma. Hi, everyone. I'm feeling great today.
You look happy, Jack. What's going on?
I usually feel tired on Mondays, but today I feel good.
That's great. Did something special happen?
Yes, I slept 8 hours last night. First time in weeks.
Wow, 8 hours. I usually only get 6.
6 is not enough, Emma. You should sleep more.
I know, but my brain doesn't stop at night.
Mine doesn't either usually, but last night was different.
Well, I'm happy for you. Let's start our episode with good energy.
I even had a good dream. I don't remember many dreams.
Really? What was it about?
I dreamed I won a big soccer game. It felt so real.
That's a fun dream. I never remember my dreams.
Not even one? That's strange.
I know. I close my eyes and then it's morning already.
Wow, that's fast sleep. I'm a little jealous.
Maybe, but I think dreams are more fun than fast sleep.
Yes. Today, listeners, we have a very useful topic.
We're talking about questions, do and does.
This is a question a lot of students ask us.
They usually ask, when do I use do and when do I use does?
Great question. Let's answer it today. So, when do we use do?
We use do with I, you, we, and they.
Can you give an example?
Do you like coffee? Do they live near here?
And what about does?
We use does with he, she, and it.
Does she like coffee? Does it work well?
Exactly. You're already getting it, Jack.
What about plural nouns like the kids or my parents?
Good question. Plural nouns use do, not does.
So, do the kids like pizza?
Exactly right. Do my parents know about this?
That makes sense. More than one person, so we use do.
Right. Think of do for many, does for one.
One person or thing does. Many do. Simple.
Perfect way to remember it.
I remember this rule connects to our last episode.
Yes. Remember, he, she, and it need the S sound.
Right, the S moves to does in questions.
Perfect memory. That's why we don't say, does she works?
We just say, does she work? No extra S on the verb.
Correct. You said it perfectly.
I want to make sure I get every answer correct today.
You will. Let's practice with more examples.
Okay. Do you play soccer?
Yes, I do. I play soccer every weekend.
Does your brother play too?
No, he doesn't. He usually watches from home.
That's a correct short answer. No, he doesn't.
Right, we don't need to repeat the whole sentence.
What about we and they? Can you give one more example?
Sure. Do we need more coffee? Yes, we do.
Do they know the answer? No, they don't.
Perfect. You're using them all correctly.
This feels easier already. I love simple rules like this.
Me too. Grammar doesn't have to be scary.
Let's talk about a tricky part now. What about I?
Good point. We always use do with I.
Do I look tired today?
No, Jack, you look great today.
Thanks, but some students think I needs does. That's wrong.
Right, that's a common mistake. Only he, she, and it use does.
I remember when I first learned this, I always mixed it up.
Really? Tell me about that.
I once asked my friend, "Does you want pizza?"
Oh no, Jack.
My friend laughed and said, "It's do, not does, silly."
That's a funny mistake, but a good lesson.
My friend still teases me about it sometimes.
Friends never forget those moments.
No, they don't, but it's okay. We laugh about it together now.
That's the best kind of memory, honestly.
Do you have a story too, Emma?
Yes, actually. When I was young, I asked my teacher, "Does you have a pencil?"
That's exactly the same mistake.
I know. My teacher smiled and said, "Do I have a pencil?" "Yes, I do."
She corrected you very kindly.
She did. I never forgot that lesson.
It's funny how we both made the same mistake.
I think a lot of students make this mistake.
Probably yes. That's why we're making this episode today.
Exactly. We want everyone to feel confident with these questions.
Okay, before we continue, let's ask you to subscribe. Subscribe so you don't miss our next episodes. We'd love to have you back.
Yes, please. It really helps our small channel grow.
Thank you, listeners. Now let's continue with more examples.
Let's talk about negative questions now.
Oh, that's a good idea. Can you explain?
Sure. Don't you like pizza? Doesn't she work here?
So we just add NT to do or does.
Exactly. Don't for I, you, we, they. Doesn't for he, she, it.
Can you give an example with a full answer?
Sure. Doesn't he like tea? No, he doesn't. He likes coffee.
That's a natural way to talk. It doesn't sound like a textbook.
Right. Real people ask questions like this every day.
Can you give one with don't too?
Don't they usually eat lunch at noon?
No, they don't. They usually eat later.
Perfect. You even used our old word usually there.
I did. It's a useful word for routines.
It really is. It fits perfectly with these questions.
What about when we want to be surprised or confused?
Good example. Don't you remember me? That shows surprise.
I like that. It adds feeling to the question.
Yes, do and does questions aren't just for information.
They can show emotion too. That's interesting.
It is. English grammar connects to real feelings.
Can you give one more example with feeling?
Sure. Doesn't this food smell amazing? That shows excitement.
I like that one. I can almost smell it now.
Me too. Now I'm hungry.
Let's do a quick practice round for our listeners.
Great idea. I'll say a sentence and you make it a question.
Okay, I'm ready.
She likes tea.
Does she like tea?
Correct. Next one. They live in Boston.
Do they live in Boston?
Correct again. You're really good at this.
Thanks. Let me try one for you now.
Okay, go ahead.
He works on weekends.
Does he work on weekends?
Correct. See, this is easier than we thought.
It really is once you know the pattern.
Let's do one more. The store opens at 9.
Does the store open at 9?
Correct. You didn't even think about it.
I know, it's becoming automatic now.
One more from me. My neighbors travel a lot.
Do your neighbors travel a lot?
Perfect. You remembered do for plural nouns.
Yes, I'm proud of myself right now.
You should be proud. Learning grammar takes real effort.
Thanks, Jack. That means a lot to me.
You should be. This was a great practice round.
Let's do a light recap for our listeners now. We use do with I, you, we, they.
We use does with he, she, it.
In questions, the S moves to does, not the main verb.
And for negatives, we add nt to make don't and doesn't.
Pretty much. Yeah, that covers the whole rule.
Now let's talk about our word of the episode.
I used it earlier when I said your answers were correct.
Right. Emma, what does correct mean exactly?
It means something is right with no mistakes.
Can you give a simple example?
Sure, your answer is correct. That means you bought it right.
What about as a verb? Can we use correct that way too?
Yes, my teacher corrects my mistakes. That means she fixes them.
Oh, so it can be an adjective or a verb.
Exactly. A correct answer or to correct a mistake.
That's really useful to know. I'll try to use it more.
You already used it correctly a few times today.
I did, didn't I?
Yes, try to use correct whenever you talk about right answers.
Can teachers use this word a lot?
Yes, all the time. The teacher correct the tests every night.
Wait, that's wrong. It should be corrects with an S.
Good catch, Jack. You're testing me now.
I guess our last episode really helped me.
It clearly did. You caught my mistake right away.
You can use it anytime someone asks if something is right.
Exactly. It doesn't need a special time or place.
Let's give our listeners a tip now.
My tip is simple. Practice questions out loud every day.
That's smart. Speaking helps your brain remember faster.
Exactly. Try asking your friends simple questions with do and does.
I usually practice with my sister. She corrects me sometimes.
That's a great way to learn. A friend can help you a lot.
Yes, and it makes learning more fun too.
It really does. Practice with people, not just books.
You could also write 10 questions a day about your life.
That's a good idea, too. Do I like my job? Does my dog like walks?
Funny examples, but they really work.
They do. Simple questions about your own day help the most.
Okay, listeners, we're almost at the end of our episode.
If this episode helped you, please like it, share it, and subscribe.
We're always working on new episodes for you.
So come back soon for more English fun.
Before we go, let's remember our word, correct.
Try writing a sentence in the comments using this word.
This will help you remember the word better.
You could write something like, I gave the correct answer.
Or, please correct my grammar mistakes.
Great examples.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
See you next time, listeners.
Bye for now.